Oh, y'all see it right there. Wicker build. About to go get this installed. So like the place I'm going to is called DK Customs. I'm not gonna do the install myself just because the price of me getting like the tools that I need, because you're gonna need like the rivet tool plus like a drill bit, you know, like to drill the hose and the spoiler. So the rivet tool plus like the drill. Obviously I would rent the drill, but I would need it for a couple hours. If you've seen people do this on YouTube, it took them like a couple hours. I ain't seen somebody start when it was sun out, and then once they finish, it was nighttime. I don't got time for that, so I'd rather just pay somebody to get it done. They're gonna charge me 80 bucks, and like I said, buying that rivet tool plus renting the drill, the gap is not too big, so I'd rather just pay to get it done right. Because I'm telling you something right now, if you fuck up, you will have to rebuy a whole nother spoiler. These spoilers cost like $180, so in that sense, you might as well just have to pay somebody from jump. So about to head there now. Need to get this inside. Probably need to let this seat down. Also, once I get done getting this installed, I'll be putting in this. I got the HELLCAT intake inbox right here. You see Mopar logo right there. Yo, so I got this coming. So you're gonna see this video first and this one after. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn that bell on, like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and scoot this shit over. Get this in here, and we're gonna go ahead. Shit. Never mind, even better. Right in the back seat. Go ahead and start this car real quick. See right there, it says DK Customs. They got a phone number. I put the information in the description down below. Hemi charger right there. Open up at 9. Just got here. First person here. Hey, early bird. Early bird get the horn first. Everybody know that. This car dirty. So just to show you what the car looked like before I put this on here. Just the regular spoiler, the bag up camera. Yep, that's pretty much it. I'll show you what it's gonna look like after. Shit, you go to the lobby. Like I said, I'm the first person here. They open up at 9. They do other shit as well. They do wraps. See, they got all these color options right here. Wraps. They do the bags for the car. You see the trophies and shit like that. Man, that's that red one that's out there. Yeah, so they do all types of mods to the car. Make sure you check them out. I put their Instagram down below. I've been following them for a while. If you remember seeing that video with the Charger, the Destroyer Gray, he got all his stuff done to his car here. So if you go on his Instagram, you see anything he did to the car, he got it done here. Like I said, I'll put all the information down below. Make sure y'all check him out if y'all in Vegas. see it's fully installed. ZL1 Wicker build. Just got back to the house. And if you're not already following my Instagram, Car Club, make sure you follow that, because once I got this installed, I posted it on there. That's gonna get everything on that account first, because as far as YouTube, I gotta edit the video, upload and all that shit. So make sure you follow the Car Club Instagram, put it down here to get everything about the car first. And like I said, if you see in the video, this is a two-man job. You cannot do this by yourself. Like, you try to, you most likely gonna fuck up, and then you're gonna have to rebuy stuff. The tools to actually do this, it's like the price difference is not like too much, so you might as well just pay somebody to actually get it done correct. And I'm about to add a SRT red badge right here. I'm about to put the Lost Victory sticker right there. So like I'm saying, I'm about to post that on the social media. It's not gonna be in this video because I'm about to finish this video up now. So make sure you follow the Car Club. And that's pretty much it. Alright, let me just show y'all something real quick. This shit, let me tell you, this is the most irritating shit. This don't even take long. It was just this headlight with screws and shit not coming off.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I said I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.